boat, what would you give last night?
Give us a solid 9.
Okay, on a
10-point scale.
on a 10-point scale, on a scale of like 1 to 10, sleeping on a boat or sleeping anywhere, what would you give it?
I mean, compared to something anywhere, I like my bed better, obviously. It's pretty nice.
But it wasn't horrible.
No, definitely not.
And so
it's
now,
comfy, not tippy.
the wind finally filled in. We had a beautiful morning. It was like just the fog was coming off of the water, and we had the I got to shut that off. We had the heater going, the little lantern. Listen to some John Prine on the radio, and Mom is actually over there at the Hook and Spoon doing aerobics and over there, yoga. I'm sorry, and we're going to pick her up in a very short amount of time and take her out for her very first sail. And I hope she likes the boat because it's gonna be, it is what it is. It's like I'm not building another one anytime soon. So anyway, anything else to tell? Anything else to say?
I don't know. I like this boat.
Selfie? What?
I'm going to say don't do that.
Don't do that? I'm the dad though. All right.